Hey guys, and welcome to day 5 of my 12 days of Christmas crafts. Today we're going to be creating some little wood Christmas tree ornaments. So let's get crafting. I have these wood ornaments that I ordered off of Amazon last year and I never got around to using them. I'm going to go in and give each one of the ornaments on the front, back, and the sides 2 coats of this Folkart chalk paint and the Cottage white. After the paint was dry, I went in with some Mod Podge and gave each one of them a coat just around the front circle. Well, I'm actually going to do the back, but that's another step. I'm going to set these aside and let the Mod Podge dry. Now, while our Mod Podge is drying, I found this little tin of coasters at the Goodwill Bins. And we are going to Mod Podge these onto the ornaments. First, I need to remove the plastic backing that was on it so that they would stick because we are going to be using the heat press to push them down, to press them down. So once the Mod Podge is dry, we're going to take and put our little Christmas tree coaster down, cover it with some parchment paper, and we're going to use my little Cricut mini press. And what that does is the heat reactivates the decoupage or the Mod Podge, and it will allow the coaster, can't get my words out today. It'll allow the coaster to stick. And I am going to do this process on both sides. Now, as for a top coat to protect the coaster on there, these coasters kind of have more of a tissue feel than like a napkin. So when I tried to put Mod Podge to seal it in, it started ripping up. So I'm just not going to seal these. And they're just going to be on my Christmas tree. So I don't think anything will happen to them. For the hanger, I'm just taking some of this red and white gingham ribbon and just gonna tie a little knot. I tried to do a bow at first, but I did not like how it looked, so I just did a knot, double knot. And here's how this quick and simple little DIY turned out. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching my Christmas series. If you like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It will help my video grow, and that is what I'm working on right now, getting my channel to grow. Come back tomorrow for tomorrow's Christmas craft, and I'll see you next time. Bye.